Today, we're going to learn how to find simple fractions of shapes and lengths. We're going to talk about halves, quarters, thirds, fifths, and tenths. So the first one we're going to look at here is a thing called a half. And this is the fraction symbol that means half. The denominator, or the bottom number, tells us there should be two parts to our shape. So if we look at the circle here, there is one part and another part of it. It has been broken into two parts, which means this is a half. Over here with this length or a different shape, a rectangle, we've got half of the shape here in white and half of the shape in blue. The whole rectangle has been broken into two parts. So that's what a half looks like. This one here is the fraction symbol, a quarter. And remember, the bottom number tells us there should be four parts. That's why we call them quarters. Here is our whole circle, and it has been broken into four even sections or four equal sections. And that's really important with fractions, that each section is exactly the same. So we have 1/4 of our whole circle coloured in purple here. Over here with this shape, this rectangle again, our whole rectangle has been broken into 1, 2, 3, 4 equal parts, and 1/4 of this shape has been coloured in blue. This fraction is 1/3. And third, meaning that there are three parts to our whole shape. Over here with our whole circle has 1, 2, 3 parts to it. 1/3 is coloured in green and the other two are coloured in blue. Here is a fraction of a length, a rectangle. Our whole rectangle is broken into 1, 2, 3 equal parts, and 1/3 is pink. Our next fraction is 1/5. That means the denominator tells us that we have to have 5 parts, 5 equal parts. Let's check. Here's our whole circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great. So here is 1/5 coloured in a slightly darker blue. Over here is a rectangle, or nearly a square, and it's been broken into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equal parts, and they have shaded in 1/5 in red. And the last one we're going to look at today is 1/10. Remember, the denominator tells us there must be 10 parts. Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here is 1/10 of our whole circle. Here's our rectangle. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 parts to our rectangle. They're all exactly the same, and 1/10 is coloured in blue. Now it's your turn to go away and see if you can colour in a shape of and find the length using these fractions. Good luck!